Dear students, greetings of the day. I hope you are safe in your home. I am also safe here. Okay. In this last video, you learn about the area of the triangle and then condition for collinearity. Okay. These are studied in the last video. Now, in this video, you will be learned about what is this area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral. What is meant by quadrilateral? Anybody know? Yes, you already studied in the last class. Okay? Okay. The quadrilateral is one of the geometrical shape. It contains 4 sides. How many sides contained in the geometrical shape? 4 sides. Okay. I say some example for quadrilateral. What are these? Anybody know that one? 4 sides geometrical shape? Yes, I know, you know. Okay, square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus. These are, what is this? Quadrilateral. These are quadrilateral. Okay. Now I consider one of the geometrical shape. That one is quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. Okay. In the Cartesian plane, x dash, y dash. This one is origin. This is the Cartesian plane. In this Cartesian plane, I consider what is this? One of the quadrilateral. Okay. That one is A, B, C, D. 4 points. Joining these 4 points, you can get one of the quadrilateral. Okay. Okay. Listen, in your book, the names are here only A, B, and then C, and D. Okay. Now I consider the diagonal AC. Diagonal AC. Okay. This is the quadrilateral. This quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay. The AC is the diagonal of this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now let us consider the coordinate of A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2, C of x3, y3 and B of x4, y4. Okay. You understand what am I doing? Okay. E is containing 2 triangles. That one is A, B, C and then A, C, D. Okay. You understand? Now we want to find this area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. You already know the formula for area of a triangle. What is this area of a triangle? Triangle ABC. Is that this part x1, x2, x3, this triangle function. So half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1. Therefore, half into first down arrow x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus x3 into y1 minus up arrow x2, y1 plus x3, y2 plus x1, y3. This is already you know the formula in the last video. Okay. This is the area of the triangle. Next, area of triangle A, C, D. A, C, D. Okay. Half into, what is the A coordinate? X1, Y1. C coordinate? X3, Y3. And then D coordinate? X4, Y4. Again we go to write X1, Y1. Okay. So first down arrow. Half into X1, Y3 plus X3, Y4 plus X4 into Y1 minus upper arrow. What is this? X3, Y1 plus X4, Y3 plus X1, Y4. Okay? You understand? Now substitute these two values in this equation. Okay? So area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to half into, what is this? Area of triangle ABC. Okay? X1, Y2 plus X2, Y3 plus X3, Y1 minus X2, Y1 plus X3, Y2 plus X1, Y3. And then here put plus. So I am also adding this place half into area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD is this value. Okay, half into X1, Y3 plus X3, Y4 plus X4, Y1 minus X3, Y1 plus X4, Y3 plus X1, Y4. Okay? Taking common factor half. Half into. Okay? This addition part are taken as the same way. X1, Y2 plus X2, Y3 plus X3, Y1. Okay? And then in this part X1. Okay? Listen, in these two portion half is common and then this one is addition part. So in this place this one is addition part. So both of the addition part is taken as in the same way. X1, Y3 plus X3, Y4 plus X4, Y1 minus this separation part. Okay, X2, Y1 plus X3, Y2 plus X1, Y3 and then plus this portion X3, Y1 plus X4, Y3 plus X1, Y4. Okay, we calculating this value, you get, what is this? Half into X1 minus X3 into Y2 minus Y4. Okay, minus X2 minus X4 into, what is this? Y1 minus Y3. Okay, this is the area of the quadrilateral. This is the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, this is easily you can written as half into, in the same way of triangle formula. In the same way of triangle formula, you are going to write in this one. Okay, half into X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3 and then X4, Y4, again X1, Y1. Okay, first down arrow. Okay, listen, X1, Y2, X1, Y2, X2, Y2, X2, Y2, X3, Y4, X3, Y4 and then X4, Y1. Okay, and then afterwards you put up arrow. minus x2 y1 x3 y2 x4 y3 x1 y4. Okay, square units. This is the derivation of the area of the quadrilateral. Okay. Sometimes the creative questions ask to derive the area of the quadrilateral. So only you know about this one. Okay. So the area of the quadrilateral is in the same manner you write in the form of the area of the triangle. So A equal to half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 x1 y1. It is easily keep in your mind. Okay. Okay, in the same way you do the example sum also. Okay. Okay students, area of the quadrilateral. What is the formula for area of the quadrilateral? Area of quadrilateral equal to A equal to half into quadrilateral have 4 sides. So 4 coordinates x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and then x4 y4 and again x1 y1. Okay, first down arrow and then next up arrow. Okay, this one is written as half into x1 into y2. Up down there x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y4 plus x4 y1. Down arrow is finished. Next put in minus, afterwards up arrow x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x4 y3 plus x1 y4 square units. It is in this way is, what is this? Easily in your mind. Okay, sums are doing in this way, it's very easy. Now I am saying one of the example for area of the quadrilateral. Okay. Now I explain example 5.6. This is the example for area of a quadrilateral. Okay, listen. Example 5.6. Find the area of quadrilateral formed by the points 8, 6, 5, 11, minus 5, 12 and minus 4, 3. Okay. What are the 4 points? 4 coordinates are given. What are the 4 coordinates? 8, 6, 5, 11, minus 5, 12 and minus 4, 3. Okay. First of all, we draw the rough diagram for this sum. Okay. We draw the rough diagram for this sum. So, this rough diagram is plotting the points in a graph in roughly. Okay. Okay. This is x-axis, x dash, y dash. This is 0. I taken as 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is also minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Okay. First point 8, 6. X coordinate is 8, y coordinate is 6. 8, 6. And then 5, 11. The point 5 lies in the x-axis is between 4 and 6. So in this 5, 11. I consider 10 and 12 in the y-axis. So 5, 11. Next one, minus 5, 12. Minus 5 lies in the x-axis is minus 4 and minus 6. So minus 5, comma 12. Minus 5, comma 12. Okay. Next one is minus 4, comma 3. X-axis minus 4, Y-axis is 3. Okay. Minus 4, comma 3. Okay. Now I plotted the points. Next, I put the name in anti-clockwise. Okay. What is this? Anti-clockwise. Clockwise means counter. Counting in which of the way you count the clock. See the clock. Okay. Time in your clock. Okay. That is the way is clockwise. The anti-clockwise means opposite way of the clockwise. Okay. So here I put the name A. That one is B, C, D. Okay, now joining these points, we can get one quadrilateral. Okay, we go to find the area for this quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, I consider the given points. Given A of x1, y1 equal to A of 8, 6. So x1 point is 8, y1 point is 6. B of x2, y2. What is this? B of 5, 11. And then C of x3, y3. So C of minus 5, 12. And then D of, what is this? x4, y4. So D of, what is this? Minus 4, 3. Okay? Do you understand this one? How do you write in this way? You assume the points are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4. Okay? To find, what do you find? Area of A, B, C, D. Okay. What is the formula? Formula A equal to half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, again x1, y1. Okay. Okay, this is the formula. Now, substitute the values x1, x2, x3, x4 and y1, y2, y3, y4 values in this formula. Okay, so A equal to half into, what is the x1, y1? 8, 6. x2, y2. x2, y2 value is 5, 11. 5, 11. x3, y3. x3, y3 is minus 5, 12. Listen the board. Afterwards, only you know how to substitute the values in this place. Okay. Otherwise you didn't know that this one. Okay. It is very easy sum. It is the one of the 5 mark question. Very important question in this topic. This area of the quadrilateral. To find the area of the quadrilateral is important 5 mark question. Compulsory one question appear in the question paper. Okay. So, you find the area of the quadrilateral, very important. You listen first of all. First of all, given points are substitute and then write to find area of ABCD quadrilateral and then write the formula and substitute the values in this formula. Okay, 5, 11, minus 5, 12 and minus 4, 3, again x1, y1. So, 8, 6. Okay, first down arrow. 8 into 11. 8 into 11, 88. Plus 5 into 12. 5 12s are 16. Minus 5 into 3. Minus 15. Minus 4 into minus 6 plus 6. Minus 24. Okay. Down arrow is completed and then up arrow. Sorry, some fraction symbol. and then upper. 6 5s are 30. 11 5s are minus 55. 12 4s are minus 4. 12 into minus 4 minus 48. 8 3s are 24 plus 24. Do you understand this one? Okay. What is the value? Half into 88 plus 60, 148. 148 minus 15. What is this? 148 minus 15. 138. 138 minus 5. 133. 1. Listen, adding plus portion 148 minus this one, adding the subtraction portion, and then 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, now subtract 9 to 99. Sorry, 109. Sorry, 13 minus 3, 109. Okay, 109. Now 30 plus 24. What is this? 30 plus 24? 54. 54 minus 55. Minus 1. Minus 1 minus 48. Minus 49. Already in this place minus. So half into 109 minus into minus plus 49 equal to half into 109 plus 49, 158. Okay, 158. Now cancelling this one, 79. So A equal to 79 square units. Finally, you write the result. Do you know how do you write the result in the class? Yes, right. Result equal to area of a quadrilateral A equal to 79 square units. Okay? Listen, this is the example 5.6. Find the area of the quadrilateral formed by the points 8, 6, 5, 11, minus 5, 12 and minus 4, 3. Okay? First, you draw the rough diagram in the graph. Okay. Plotted the points and then joining the points. Afterwards, you write the name. Name is putting in the form of which of the way? Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, anti-clockwise are same. So, anti-clockwise, opposite of the clockwise. Okay. Substitute the values and then given. You are going to consider the points A of x1, y1 is A of 8, 6, B of and then C and then D. Okay. Here there is no point given. Let us consider the points names are considered. I consider here A, B, C, D. If you want, you are going to consider any name. Okay. A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, M, N, O, P. Okay. In this way. And then considering this point. And then substitute the formula and then substitute the values in first of all down arrow 8 into 11, 5 into 12, minus 5 into 3, minus 4 into 6. Okay, minus 6 into 5, 11 into minus 5, 12 into minus 4 and then 3 into 8. Okay, calculate these values. And then finally, you get area of the quadrilateral. This is the important 5 mark. Compulsory you have a one question for this course. This time. Okay. Next, example 5.3. Okay. What is the question? If the area of the triangle formed by the vertices A of minus 1, 2, B of k, minus 2 and C of 7, 4 taken in order is 22 square units. Find the value of k. Okay. Once again I read the question. You also read the question slowly in your book. Okay. Afterwards you read in your way. If the area of the triangle formed by the vertices A of minus 1 comma 2, B of k comma minus 2 and C of 7 comma 4, these names are taken in order. Okay, this area is 22 square units. Find the value of k. Okay, listen. What is this given? The if area of the triangle. Okay, if the area of the triangle have 3 vertices. Okay, you check 3 vertices is the A of B and C. Okay, 3 vertices are given. Okay, what is this? Minus 1 comma 2. A of minus 1 comma 2. Okay, done. And B of here, one of the variable is given. There is no number in this place. In this place, one of the variable, that number x coordinate value is k. Okay, in the B value, B order. Okay, minus 2 and C of 7 comma 4. Taken in order is, so the area of the triangle is given. ABC is the area of the triangle. That value is 22. Area, find the value of this B coordinate x value. Okay, do you understand? Okay, there is no need to the diagram for this question because of the given taken in order. You consider the value. Now, names are taken in order A, B, C. In this way, you taken S. Okay. So, there is no diagram you do. Okay. So, solution. You already know area of the triangle. Okay. Given points and we go to write it. Given. What is the point? A of minus 1 comma 2 and B of k comma minus 2 and C of 7 comma 4. Okay. And then. And also what are this given? Second one, what is this? Area. Area of triangle A, B, C. What is this? 22 square units. Okay. To find. What do you find now? The value of K. Okay. Formula. What is the formula for area of the triangle? Area of triangle ABC equal to half into x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, x1, y1 again. Okay. Now you consider the points are A of x1 comma y1 equal to what is this? A of minus 1 comma 2 and then B of x2 comma y2 equal to B of what is this? K comma minus 2. Okay, and C of x3 comma y3 equal to C of what is the value of 7 comma 4. Okay, now substitute these values in this diagram, in this formula. Sorry. Okay, x1 y1. What is the value of x1 y1? Minus 1 2. x2 y2 k minus 2. x3 y3 7 4. Again substitute the value of x1 y1. What is this? Minus 1 2. First of all, down arrow. Okay, so half into minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2. Value is 2. Plus k into 4. 4k. Plus 7 into 2. 14. Minus. What is this? Upper arrow. 2k. 2 into k, 2k. Minus 2 into 7, minus 14. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. This value is given by, what is this? 22 square units. Okay? And then, half into 2 plus 14, 16. 2 plus 14, 16. 16 plus 4k minus 18 minus plus 2k. Okay, this is equal to 22, which implies half into 16 plus 4k. I was going to substitute the minus inside of this in this expression. Okay, so minus into minus plus 18 minus into plus minus 2k equal to 22. Okay, next one, which implies half into, what is the value? 16 plus 18, 34. Okay, so 34 plus 4k minus 2k plus 2k equal to 22. Okay, this 2 is going to this way multiplication. This one is in the place of denominator. Okay, so in this 2 goes to right hand side, we get in multiply. Okay, so 34 plus 2k equal to 2 into 22. What is the value? 2 into 22. 34 plus 2k equal to 2 into 22, 44. So 2k equal to, this is plus 34 is going to right hand side, we get minus 34. So 44 minus 34, we get 10. So 2k equal to 10, k equal to 10 by 2, the value of k equal to 5. So the answer is B of 5 comma minus 2. Okay, do you understand? Example 5.3. Once again I will say, if the area of the triangle formed by the vertices A of minus 1 comma 2, B of k comma minus 2 and C of 7 comma 4 taken in order is 22 square units. Find the value of k. Okay, given A of, B of, and then C of points are right, and then area of the triangle ABC is also right. These are given in this question. We want to find what is the value of find the value of k. So the value to find value of k. Okay, formula. What is the formula for area of the triangle? Area of the triangle equal to, you are easy in your, keep in your mind. So only in this way I write. Okay, half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1 again. Okay, so half into, substitute these values of x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and then again x1 y1 in the questions. Okay, so half into, substitute this one and then afterwards you calculating these values, you get the final answer k equal to 5. Okay, so answer for this question is 5. Do you understand? Next, example 5.4. Next, example 5.4. If the points P of minus 1 comma minus 4, Q of B comma C and R of 5 comma minus 1 are collinear, and if 2B plus C equal to 4, then find the values of B and C. Read once again slowly. If the points P of minus 1 comma minus 4, Q of B comma C and R of 5 comma minus 1 are collinear. First of all, you know about this line. 3 points are given, P, Q, R. These 3 points are collinear. So, area of the triangle equal to 0. Area of the triangle equal to 0. Okay. Next, and if 2B plus C equal to 4, one of the equation is given. Okay. Equation is given. Then find the values of B and C. In this, the above 3 P, Q, R are P, Q, R are collinear, and also in this equation is satisfies this collinear one of the points B and C. Okay. Then what is the value of B and C? This is the question. Okay. What is the question? Once again I say. 3 points are given, these 3 points are collinear. So area of the triangle equal to 0. And also one more condition is given by the question. What is the question? Condition 2B plus C equal to 4. Then what you find out? You go to find the value of B and C. Okay, this is the book example 5.4. Okay, given P of minus 1 comma minus 4, Q of B comma C and R of 5 comma minus 1 is collinear. And first one. Second one, what is this given? 2B plus C equal to 4. So, to find, what you find? B and C. Okay. So, formula. What is the formula? Collinear means area of the triangle equal to 0. There is no need to half in this collinear. Okay. The half portion is there is no need. So, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1 equal to 0. There is no need to in this half portion in the area of the triangle in this place. Okay. So, substitute these values. x1, y1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, substitute x1, y1, minus 1, minus 4. x2, y2, b, c. x3, y3, 5, minus 1. Again, minus 1, minus 4. Equal to 0. Okay, first down arrow. Okay, which implies minus 1 into c, minus c. Minus 1 into b into minus 1, minus b. 5 into minus 4, minus 20. Minus, up arrow. Minus 4 into b, minus 4b. c into 5, plus 5c. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Equal to 0. Okay, which implies calculating these two terms. Okay, so minus c, minus b, minus 20, minus into minus, plus 4b, minus into plus, minus 5c, minus into plus, minus 1 equal to 0. Which implies minus 20, minus 1. Okay, minus 20, minus 1. And then minus c, minus 5c. So we get minus 6c, minus 6c, minus b, plus 4b. So plus, minus, plus 3b. Okay, minus b, plus 4b, plus 3b. Minus 20, minus 1, minus 21 equal to 0. So in these three terms, is multiples of 3. So taken as 3 as a common factor in the outside. So 3 into minus 2c plus b minus 7 equal to 0. Now you get 3 into minus 2 minus 60. 3 into b 3b. 3 into minus 7 minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, so 3 is going to this side, you get 0. So, which implies minus 2c plus b equal to, b minus 7 equal to 0. Which implies b minus 2c equal to 7. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. Okay, and also already given, what is this equation? Given equation is 2b plus c equal to 4. 2b plus c equal to 4. This is the, consider the equation number 2. Okay. Now solving the equation 1 and 2. Solving the equation 1 and 2. Okay. So equation 1 and 2. What is this? Here first equation is b minus 2c equal to 7. Second equation is 2b plus c equal to 4. So, in the same coefficient of the variables are, any one variable is equal means we go to easily solve. So, in this equation, the first equation is multiplied by 2. So, 1 into 2. Okay. So, 2b minus 2 into 2, 4c equal to 2 sevens are 14. And then second equation, write in this way. Okay, 2b plus c equal to 4. This is third equation, this is second equation. Now you go to subtracting these two. So the symbols are changed. Okay, cancelling 2b minus 2b. Minus 4c minus c minus 5c plus 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4, 10. Okay, so c equal to 10 divided by minus 5. So the value of c equal to cancelling 10 by minus 5 to answer is minus 2. So the value of c is minus 2. Okay, now substitute the value c value in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 implies what is this? b minus 2c. 2 into minus 2 equal to what is the value of 7? So b minus 4 equal to minus into minus plus 4 equal to 7. B value is 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So which implies b equal to 3. Okay? Do you understand? Once again I explain in which of the way do we in this sum. Okay? Listen, if the points P of minus 1 comma minus 4, P of b comma c and R of y comma minus 1 are collinear, and if 2b plus c equal to 4, then find the values of b and c. Okay, what are the points are given? P, Q, R. Okay, these 3 points are collinear. So the area of the triangle equal to 0. Okay, area of the triangle equal to 0. So 2b plus c equal to 4 and also given. To find b and c, the value of b and c is you go to find out. Okay. Now consider the point P of minus 1 comma minus 4 and P of b comma c, R of y comma minus 1 as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 in this manner. Okay. And then formula. What is the formula for collinear? Area of the triangle equal to 0. Here area of the triangle, the half portion is there is no near to calculate the collinear. So substitute the value of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1 is equal to 0. Now substitute these values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 values in this formula. We get the one of the equation. What is this equation? Is b minus 2c equal to 7. Do you understand? Afterwards, the given equation is 2b plus c equal to 4. Okay. The given equation is 2b plus c equal to 4. Now solving these two equations. That already you get the equation is first equation, and then this one is given equation is considered as equation number 2. Okay, solving this first and two equations, we need to the coefficient of any one variable is equal. Afterwards you go to easily solve. So the first equation is I multiplied by 2. We get the equation of the first equation. Converting you get after multiplication 2b minus 4c equal to 14, and then second equation implies 2b plus c equal to plus 4. Okay, now I go to solving these two equations. In these two equations, in which of the way I solve this? My subtraction. Okay, so 2b minus 2b minus 4c minus c and then minus 4. We get minus 5c equal to 10, c equal to minus 10 by minus 5. Thus value of c equal to minus 2. Okay, and then substitute the value of c in this equation, b minus 2c in this first equation. So we get b minus 2 into minus 2 equal equal to 7. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So b plus 4 equal to 7. The plus 4 is going to right hand side of this equation. We get b equal to 7 minus 4. So the value of b equal to 3. So finally the value of this question answer value of b and c is b equal to 3, c equal to minus 2. Okay. Okay. Next, in your exercise sum 5.1 third sum, second one, third Roman second sum I say. Okay. You do the first sum as your homework. Okay. Okay. Vertices are given p comma p, 5 comma 6, 5 comma minus 2. The triangle vertices are given. What are the vertices? P comma p, 5 comma 6 and then 5 comma minus 2 and then area also given. Area is 32. Okay. Now we are going to find the value of p. What is this? Find the value of p. Okay students, listen carefully. I will explain it slowly. Okay. So, you listen carefully and do the sums. This is important 2 marks sums. In this way of the questions are important 2 marks. Okay. Listen. It is a base of your higher studies. These models are. Okay. The coordinate geometry is the base of the higher studies. So, listen carefully. Okay. And this one is also used in physics also. In the higher studies physics also coordinate geometry is also used in. Okay, using. Okay, listen. The area of the vertices of a triangle are given and also taken in order, and also the area also given 32. You read the question in your book carefully. Afterwards, you listen this question. Okay. Solution. We want to find the value of p. So consider given. What is this? A of p comma p, b of, you consider the name. Okay, p of 5 comma 6 and c of 5 comma minus 2. Okay, c of 5 comma minus 2 and then area 32 square units. Okay. Listen, we do to find. What do you find? The value of p. Okay? Okay, solution. You substitute the form. Write the formula first of all. Area of a triangle. A equal to half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and then again x1, y1. Listen carefully students. I teach in slowly. Okay. Listen carefully. Substitute the values of coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and then x3, y3 in this formula. Okay. This one is what is the value was given? 32, which implies A equal to half into x1, y1, p, x2, y2, 5, 6, x3, y3, 5 minus 2, again x1, y1, p, equal to 32. Okay. And then A equal to, that one which implies half in the 2, this 2 is goes to right hand side, we get multiply. So 2 into 32, 64. That's this. Now, first of all, upper. Okay. 60 plus 5 into minus 2, minus 10 plus 5p. Minus 5p plus 30 minus 2p equal to 32. 6p plus 5p, 11p minus 10 minus 5p minus 2p, 3p plus 30 equal to 64. This 2 goes to right hand side, multiplied. So 32 into 2. Okay. Okay. Now 11p minus 10 minus 3p minus 30 equal to 64. 11p minus 3p 8p minus 40 equal to 64. So 8p equal to 64 plus 40. So 8p equal to 104. P equal to 104 divided by 8. Okay. 104 divided by 8. Cancelling this one. 1, 3. So P equal to 13. Okay. Okay students. This is the exercise 5.3 second sum. Third Roman second sum. Okay. Your homework sums are 5.3 third Roman first sum. 5.3 homework sums. 5.3 exercise 5.3 third Roman first sum. Okay. And fourth Roman fully. And fifth Roman. These are do in your class of note. And also do home test